Oh boy, did we splinter that one good. Wow. Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're here out at the park today for Iron Rock off-road event, and the wrecker is wounded. You'll check out the last video. We're down to two-wheel drive, but we're here just in case somebody needs some help. We'll see what happens. We're just watching some people come up the gorge here.
Keep them spinning, let's go!
Well, that was pretty good. Now we got the Jeep that we put back on its wheels a couple weeks ago. So I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but that is steep. So you didn't roll over.
Oh, my heart starts to almost die. That was awesome though.
Well, it's good to see that she's all healed up from her bruising and not scared of getting back in the Jeep and wheeling. This red Jeep wanted to go around again. Different passengers wanted to ride. So the red Jeep went around again. Well, that was pretty neat, but it's time for dinner now, so we're gonna head back and we'll catch you later. Okay, we're sending Broken Ruby home with Derby 4x4 because they're gonna fix up the frame on Ruby for us. That way I can work on fixing the wrecker, and they said they will have Ruby done by the time Mara recovers from her back surgery and is able to drive again. So we'll see. Derby 4x4 is one of our sponsors. They really help us out. All right, well, we're home now. We got to get the wrecker unloaded and get it in the shop and get working on it. There's a lot we got to get done, and but fortunately the Rubicon is over at Derby, and they'll be doing that. We will be getting film for that, so you'll see that in an upcoming video. So we have to fix the rear brakes, fix the stub shaft, and get it running a little bit better. As you might be able to tell from me driving it in, and the front tires squawking on the concrete, that my rear brakes weren't working. So we're gonna have to look at that. But first, I wanna see what I busted up in the front axle. So I can tell that the outer stub shaft, or that the axle shaft is broke by the way the lockout broke. It doesn't really come out like that unless the outer axle shaft broke. But the real question is what else did we break? So we gotta pull it apart and figure out what we need to put it back together again. Ooh, blew that apart. Yeah, we broke that stub shaft, or the outer axle shaft. I'll have to see if the spindle's okay. Well, it looks like our spindle is okay, but we'll find out for sure. We gotta take it off anyway. To get the shaft out. Our Torrington bearing is tore up. Okay. Oh boy, did we splinter that one good. Wow. That might have been broken for a while. I've never quite seen one break like that. Of course, I've only broken a couple of them. Wow. That is really something. All right, well, let's see if we can save this U-joint. Oh, that's right. A Dana 60 U-joint is too big for that press. So we have to take it apart the old school way. Well, if it weren't for the seal on this cap, we might be able to save it, but I don't know.
What broke?
Well, we broke the outer axle shaft.
Oh my goodness, that is,
You split that in half.
Yeah, I did.
That's worse than the other one.
Oh yeah, the other one I just broke the stub off. But either way, they're junk.
Is any other parts of that in still though?
No. But we need a new lockout, and we need a new Torrington bearing, and probably a new U-joint. So. And
you read Ruby.
Yeah, well, Ruby's being fixed.
Well, so is yours,
Yeah.
but you ripped it good. You broke it good.
Yep, but it's going to require a run to the parts store.
Ooh, yay! Let's go. I like parts stores.
All right, well, Mara's recovering. Her back's doing good. She's supervising. We have to go to the parts store, get some parts for the wrecker, and then I have to haul some hay bales for my daughter, my oldest daughter, Sam. So we'll get back with you on this. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.